To access an energy dashboard for a particular site, from the Controls page, go top right, click Controls, and then Energy. Here, you will see all meters currently in place for this location. Your usage is likely to look different. This is mock data we had built in, particularly for this demo site. But in much the same way that you could with an actual site with actual usage, you can also view this data in a comprehensive energy dashboard, which you can reach by clicking here. On the energy dashboard, you will see usage for this site, as well as how it's performing against other sites that you have grouped it with. If you have any additional questions about the energy dashboard or how to get it configured, contact us today by reaching out on the email at the end of this video. Thank you.